Hello all, myself Dr. Padmaja, consultant dermatologist at Neuro Skin and Hair Clinic, Hyderabad. So today in this video, let us discuss about very popular topic, HydraFacial versus regular facials. Which one is more effective for your skin type? So regular facials, these are common spa or clinic procedures that include cleansing, exfoliation, mask application and sometimes massaging. So these regular facials provide relaxation to your skin and remove any excess oil or dirt. However, these do not penetrate deeper into your skin layers and do not treat specific skin conditions like clogged pores, pigmentation or fine lines. Results always can vary depending on your skin type, the products used and the technique of the esthetician. Whereas the HydraFacials are advanced skin treatments that include cleansing, exfoliation, extraction, hydration and also antioxidant infusion deeper into your skin layers. So these HydraFacials treatment can penetrate deep into the skin, delivering active ingredients, and these are suitable for all skin types and also address multiple skin concerns like clogged pores, dryness, dullness, acne and also fine lines. So another advantage is this is a very gentle non-invasive technique with minimal downtime, giving you instant visible results. So which one to choose? So it all depends on what you want. So if you simply want cleanse your face and give relaxation to it and want to pamper your skin occasionally, then regular facials are best. But if you want to address specific skin conditions like clogged pores, pigmentation, fine lines, then you need to go for HydraFacial, which give you good hydration to your skin and also long-lasting results. So do visit Neuro Skin and Hair Clinic, where we evaluate your skin type and give you skin treatments that suits best for your skin. Thank you.